Your people do crucial work. They provide compassionate, quality care. They also keep residents, patients, and their families safe and secure. We are here to help. We're RF Technologies. We help protect those who need it most. RF Technologies has a rich history of developing reliable security solutions. We've set the standard since 1987. Today, we help keep seniors protected and secure with our comprehensive Code-ALERT senior living solutions. RFT offers an advanced nurse call solution. Residents wear a pendant around the neck or on their wrist. They can call for assistance from anywhere, at any time. With an easy push of a button, an alert is sent to caregivers. They know who needs help and where they're needed within seconds. This robust system improves resident safety, increases staff efficiency, and it reduces liability. Code-ALERT's wander management solutions keep patients safe, secure, and where they belong. Residents wear a watch-like transmitter. These devices are discreet. They promote mobility. But if a resident approaches a monitored door, the state-of-the-art technology locks the door and signals staff. Alerts, including patient identification, are seamlessly sent to caregivers when they need it, where they need it. RFT's wander management reduces the risk of elopement and injury, and it supports caregiver workflow. RFT's quick response fall detection addresses long lies and latent falls. This is a camera-free fall detection system, so residents maintain their privacy and dignity while you provide more safety. When a fall is detected, the sensor immediately alerts caregivers. Studies show facilities with a fall detection system respond to a fall 30 minutes faster than facilities without one. RFT's fall detection system provides safety and peace of mind. At RF Technologies, one size does not fit all. Our systems are scalable and customizable. Those turnkey solutions are backed by 24/7, 365 support, ensuring peak performance. Our senior living solutions enable your staff to provide proactive resident care. At RF Technologies, we ensure every space is safe and secure with cutting-edge technology.